If you encounter difficulties in sending or receiving messages on TikTok, then consider following these steps to troubleshoot the issue. First things first, make sure that your content or message has not been flagged or reported or your account is not temporarily suspended. So if this is your case, TikTok typically send a warning in the app the first time your content violates their community guidelines, and they will suspend your account's ability to send direct message for a period of time. I think it's typically between 24 and 48 hours. Actually, it's depend on the severity of the violation and your previous violations. But let's say that this is not the case, then the most likely reason your TikTok message aren't cooperating is a bug or glitch on the platform. Okay, so to troubleshoot this, you need to start by ensuring your internet connection is stable and active. Since, as you all may know, unreliable connection can disrupt messaging functionality. Now, another avenue to explore is clearing the app cache. So, this step can be surprisingly effective in resolving performance issues. Now, next is to make sure that you're rocking the latest version of the TikTok app. Just head over to your App Store or Play Store and install any updates available. Now, developers often roll out fixes and improvements through updates, so it's important to update your app if there's any. And if after all this you're still scratching your head over the messaging issue, then it's time to bring in the expert. Just go hit up TikTok support as they've got the lowdown on these things and they might have some specific tips or even know about ongoing issues that could be causing the messaging hassle. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.